Lofa everyone, it's Samoan Language Week. Ko Zara toku ingoa. My name is Zara.
Talofa lava Te Anau SCHOOL, ko Zoe ahau. I'm Zoe. Welcome to the morning report for Ratu, the 2nd of June.
Let's get into Te rere, korero or Te wiki. This week's phrase is vali, which is Samoan for go for a walk.
So if you feel the need to clear your head, then vali, go for a walk.
Okay, lunchtime activities. Today from 12:30, Year 4s and 5s can go gaming in room 10. Bring your own devices.
There's also touch rugby for the Year 4s, 5s and 6s on the field.
And remember, the bike shed and sports shed are open for business too.
Gardening news. Thanks to all the compost helpers from across the school using the new bins correctly. Tino.
Please keep those fruit stickers out of the compost. We know some classes are on their second sticker chart. Top work, koutou.
Ka pai. Health and safety news. High-vis vests. Most people are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And wheels. Scooters, bikes, skates and skateboards. Walking them around the buildings, please, especially before and after school. Kia ora.
Bus students, a friendly reminder to mark yourself off the bus.
Yeah, if you're not on the bus after school, head over to the office and sort it out now, please.
Birthday news. No birthdays at Te Anau SCHOOL today.
But Ando is 48 years old today. He's the Aussie author of all those kids' books. Ninja Girl, Wolf Girl and Weirdo. You probably have some at home behind the couch.
Bike news. Please keep off the hill area when you are biking so that the plants and grass can survive over the winter.
Also, remember, small bikes are for small people and big bikes are for seniors. We want all the bikes in rideable condition, especially for those juniors learning to ride safely.
Housekeeping. If you're cold, head over to the lost property bin and pick up your polar fleece so you can stay warm.
And notices. Any forms to hand in, take them to the office mailbox, please.
Okay, if you missed any info, check out the notes in the description box below. I'm out. Tofa soya fu. Goodbye.
And from everyone here at the Morning Report team, good luck a pawpaw at Northern Cross Country. See all you speedy turbos. Pekia kaki te taumata.